Jo, I'm from Essex. I needed 6 implants at the back, teeth were crumbling, and I had a meeting in Chelmsford with Dr. Karam. Made me feel at ease, but I was really scared. Came out here a couple of months ago and had the bone grafts and some implants, and then came back recently. I got sedated, which was good for me because I suffer with panic attacks. I've had no pain whatsoever. The surgery, the staff, everyone is absolutely amazing. I cannot recommend. We've heard other stories that aren't so good in other dental places, but this is the best place to come. I've had no pain whatsoever. They look after you, and yeah, and now I've got the best smile, and I'm just really happy.
They look amazing. Oh my God.